Every year, millions receive amputations. And of these, many can't even hope to afford a prosthetic in their lifetime. And because of this was Bernie Meadows designed this. This is a great start, but it could be improved, namely its ability to pick up rigid objects and its looks. People just want to fit in, and so this isn't working for them. Team Armada has solved this issue with this one piece. This piece, when folded onto itself, becomes a super simple mechanism that bends just like a human finger. You take 5 of these and you have yourself a hand. Operation is simple. To lock a grip, you press down on the knuckle and it becomes load bearing. To release, press down on the finger. But of course it's got to look the part too. And so we've done some wonderful work in xDesign and xShape to make some coverings that can be dyed to the patient's color. So if you want to restore independence to these people, please vote Team Armada.
And that's
Yeah, feel free to look around at the stuff here.